Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up Microsoft Edge browser for your HONOR Magic4 Lite. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here find Microsoft Edge app. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open the app. You can sign in to turn on synchronization or do it later. You can set up for your data sharing preferences. And lastly, let's just open any website. And here, as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.